When it comes to preparing signatures for bookbinding, accuracy and consistency are everything. That's where the all-guide punching cradle really shines. This simple but incredibly effective tool makes punching your sewing stations cleaner, faster, and far more accurate. At first glance, you'll notice its angled sides and deep center channel. The angles are intentionally designed to cradle your partially folded signature, keeping it upright and perfectly aligned. Once you place the triangular block on top, the signature locks firmly into position so it won't shift as you punch. One of the most useful features of this cradle is the adjustable block. By twisting the screw, you can slide the block forward or backward to fine-tune exactly where your hole pattern begins. This allows you to easily center your holes along the fold or match a specific sewing layout, exactly the same way every time. Using the cradle is straightforward. Fold your sheet or signature, set the crease into the center channel, and place the block on top to secure everything. Then, punch directly through the guide holes and into the fold. The cradle keeps your awl at a consistent angle and depth, giving you clean, uniform holes across all pages or signatures. The result is a set of pages that line up perfectly and are ready to be sewn in with precision. Whether you're binding a single book or preparing multiple signatures, the all-guide punching cradle helps ensure that every stitch begins exactly where it should.